Well guys, I don't know if you can see my little missy. You might just be able, there she goes, sticking her head out and around. But she was actually sitting up at the door and I wanted to get a video of her just peeking out. You know, curious. She can see through the glass, so she can see out here now, and is so curious because, you know, she's been in that tub, and even though she could see out, it was still a little bit frosted, whereas this is completely clear. But of course I do have one side of her enclosure covered, which is the main traffic area, is over that side. This side, of course, there's no traffic really, you know, no faces in her face or crowding her space, which I really do not like happening for the little ones at all. You know, we're extremely huge to them because they're so tiny. You know, just my finger, if you think about it, you know, is huge to Apani. My finger is bigger than her girth, you know, and I don't have a fat finger, but yeah, a big finger and a little snake, and that is what she is. So, you know, she's happy to come out and explore. She has a hide over here, which I've seen her in. She has a cool hide here, although that would probably be a little cooler. She of course has a warm hide over there, and I do have a heat mat underneath over there. I see her up here at night warming up here on a hammock. So she's learnt very quickly, guys, a hammock, I know what I do with that. I climb up there and I can curl up there, and of course she has a heat lamp if she wants to get heat from basking and not just a belly. So I was in two minds whether to keep basking heat for her, but I've decided that I'll give her both options. You can see her just coming out there and having a look. You know, Apani isn't shy. She doesn't run away and hide when I open a door. She's wonderful. She's not a frightened, scared little snake. She's quite confident. But you know, she's had a lot of time with me, me opening her door and chatting with her and doing all those sorts of things. So to her, no, this is just mum chatting to me, no big deal. So guys, this is, you know, of course, Apani's new enclosure, and I'm really happy with how she has actually settled in here at this time. She's going to come over and say hello to my hand. Hey, it's just mum's hand, isn't it? Hey? What do you think? It's just me. Just me. So guys, I'll put this in with another video, and it'll probably be going from one extreme to the other. I think it'll be little Apani, and I hope to get a video done with Jack today. So of course it will be from one extreme to the other. A little 1-year-old patternless spotted python to a great big 8-year-old, I guess. No, Jack is an 8.
Hey guys.
I'm not sure of Jack's age, but yeah, he's not a baby. Let's put it that way. Boy. Oh, there she is, just sneaking a peek there. So that's it with Apani. He's still there, just resting her head on the rock. Well, her hide. Well guys, I was going to put a video in of Jack after the Apani video, but I decided to do it with Amaya because, you know, Amaya is in her brand new enclosure, and I wanted to show you what I've actually put her in, which is a 450 by 450 by 650, I believe this one to actually be. And of course she has a hammock which looks huge. The hammock that was in her other enclosure that, as you saw, Apani is in, is a whole lot smaller. And yeah, she's just got more space. Basically, she has her cool hide, or her warmer hide actually, because that's right under the heat. She's also got her cooler hide over here, her water bowl, of course. She also has a little plant over there, which I see her in quite a bit. And I've also hung this vine here for her to climb on and whatever. So yeah, she seems to have settled in. She's had a couple of meals in there since I've put her in, so obviously she's feeling extremely comfortable. Of course, we like to see them get into a new home and eat, but yeah, she has a UVB, just a 2.0 in here, and of course her heating is a heat lamp, which, you know, for Amaya I keep her temps between the 30 and 31. Right now this room is really warm, so of course it's not even, I think it's just on, so it's quite warm in there obviously for Amaya, but she's just had a meal, so she's got a full belly, and yeah, she's looking lovely, of course. But that's it, guys. It's pretty basic. You know, she has got some logs in here to climb up on, and I use the aspen bedding or substrate for most of my snakes. You know, that is always a choice to use whatever you like and prefer. I just prefer the aspen. I don't know, I just do. And I'm actually using aspen chips more than I'm using the more coarse at the moment. But yeah, I thought I'd put this with Apani's new home. So of course, you know, Apani went into Amaya's, so there's not much changes to the one that Apani went into. It was actually Amaya who got the changes, and she's quite happy in there. So I'll put this in with Apani's. Hope you enjoy.